Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, tonight I got work tomorrow, so I'm cooking some food tonight. I got chicken patty, spicy chicken patty I cooked. I have some chicken rice here. Chicken rice. Make sure you have a utensil that's long enough to stir that in. Turn that down. We got that cooking, and then we have some chicken. Some chicken thighs. Just turn these over. Put it back in the pan, in the oven. A cooked sides. But turn off the oven. That's cooked already, so check and let that cool down. If you got wet wash rags, just take your wash rags and hang them up on the oven rack here. It's like hot wash rags. Warm. It's hot because it will get the wash rag dry off, cool down, and then let it get dry with putting it on there. Since the oven's on earlier, then turn it off. Now with this tablespoon of butter, 2 cups of water, and just let it simmer for about a minute. You need a lid, but we need a lid. Now, low heat. Put chicken in there. Turn off the oven. We got rain outside. It is raining its ass off. Took a shower earlier. With that window being, that door being open, and cool down a little bit with the oven being on. I put my leftover doughs, leftover food away. We eat the chicken patties. We have some chicken patties here, and we have some rice. Chicken, we'll just save that for another day. Let's see how that rice tastes. See if it's tender enough. Perfect. Let everything cool down. Okay, the chicken, put that chicken away. That's in our container, and we have that rest container, and this and that. Containers are very good to have. I like, put leftovers away, that's one thing. When you got no containers, it's kind of hard to put leftovers away. So chicken patties in there. Your spicy chicken patties. Take that rice. We just get it mixed up a little more. Noodles. These noodles nice and tender. We gotta make sure we have food ready. I get food stamps. Not a lot of people really on food stamps, but you make a little bit too much money. I can make a little over 1,000 and still collect food stamps. Depends on how much money you make. Oof. Yeah. Well, I'm glad I'm not in this right now. We have that down, we have that pretty much emptied. Look at that rain. The rain will freaking make your windows wet because the rain will come in. And with that wind mixture, that windy rain will come in and hit the window, and the rain will be inside. You'll have rain inside your apartment. chicken rice in there. Okay, that's ready to go. For tomorrow, I'll put that chicken away in our container. So we have no leftovers to eat. There we go. We have food ready. Got my water ready, got my juice ready. Next we have all my juice and water ready, my food ready. Everything off the plates. A little bit of dish soap in there. Now with this skillet spatula is kind of get loose. The nut screw gets loose, so you tighten it up. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. That is the cooking and then commentary. You guys don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. we will reach 500 subscribers, and that's when we're going to reach that. And it's been a long live stream for YouTube videos. So when I'm home and I'm just kind of thinking what to cook, and it's like I got some leftover chicken. I'll cook that. I don't know what people know how to cook either, but I teach people how to cook some food. Me, I learned how to cook in high school, and I cooked to do for my living. Alright, peace out, guys. Have a good night.